Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Crypto Chester. In today's video we are talking about the really anticipated and very strong meme coin called Toshi. Now Toshi is currently at a $366 million market cap, and in this video we're discussing the price, the update of the price, and also some technical analysis to see where this thing could be going and how much money we could be making trading it. Starting off with just a general market overview, altcoin season 63 out of 100 is on the upside now, which is pretty good, which does show that there is a chance that altcoins are looking likely to move this week, which is bullish. Crypto, the average crypto RSI is pretty much even, which is again a good sign. It's not oversold, it's not overbought, so it's pretty much a neutral stance in the market, and that's sort of what we really want here in the crypto space with the adoption and everyone really sort of moving into it, because we haven't really seen that much retail in this run just yet, and this is what we're sort of waiting for to make it really explosive like 2021. Fear and greed going up again, still in the neutral segment, but very close to that sort of the greedy section there as well, which isn't great, but still in the neutral section, so still very bullish. Now Toshi, $366 million in market cap. In the last month, it's up 54%. In the last 7 days, 21%, and in the last day itself, 7.16%, which is super important, guys, because this thing just keeps going up. In terms of meme coins and in terms of charts, this thing is very bullish, and it's looking like it is going to come up and challenge most recent highs of 9.9, which was at that market cap of just shy, oh no, just hit $400 million. So it is on the way up to that point. What I probably would expect is quite an aggressive spike up coming very soon, and let's go through that on the chart and let's really dissect the TA behind this here. Just before we do that, guys, I do want to talk to you quickly about a brand new meme coin that I think has got absolutely huge potential. I haven't really seen that much effort being put into a meme coin like this in a long time, and this is called Maxi Doge. Now Maxi Doge has currently raised $2.7 million in their pre-sale, guys, which is just absolutely insane. So it's very likely that a project with this much effort being put into it, this much financial backing, this much community backing as well, is going to do very well. So this is where I'm putting a bit of my bet in at the moment, buying into this pre-sale, because I think that the signs are all green for a successful launch and a successful meme coin overall. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to go check that out yourself. But overall, it's quite an impressive site, quite an impressive project. And as far as meme coins go, it's very memeable. Okay, the link is in the description for Maxi Doge. Go check that out, guys. And now let's get back to the old Toshi chart. Okay, because you can see here that we have seen quite an aggressive reversal in the price. So this was obviously the downtrend after this massive 60% pump here, and now this downtrend was did create quite an aggressive low at 6777, and from there spike up, sideways action, and then created this higher low section here. Let me just get rid of some of these indicators. It's a bit colluding for you guys to be looking at. I'm used to it because I obviously trade this all the time, but yeah, so you can see here that we did go sideways for that minute, and then we basically saw that sort of breakout point on the 0.5 Fibonacci, and also that momentum from this trend line, which we have seen in a lot of previous price action here. The support is very strong from this zone, and that's sort of the support that we're feeling right now. Okay, so it's very likely that Toshi here will probably continue up, probably right the way up to the 0.236 here. And the reason why I say that, guys, is because if you just look here, we've got what's commonly known as a parallel channel, a nice range that we broke out from. As you can see here, super easy, super simple here to be plotting this into the chart. And you can see we're actually on that breakout scenario. Okay, now we probably will have some sort of pullback at some point here. So let's just have a little look here. This would be obviously the measure move to the upside, which you can see completed that clean as day. Very nice 5.87% in terms of a measure move. But the next point that we're looking out for here is, of course, the consolidation point, which is obviously here, the explosion point, the consolidation point, the explosion point. So what we do, we actually take a measure move from the bottom of this previous consolidation point, which is here, as you can see. That is the bottom of it there, and you can see that all the way up to the top. We can actually take that there, drag that to a breakout zone again, and where does that bring us? It brings us all the way up to the 0.236. I know it's quite ambitious here, guys, but if you look at how this asset is performing, you can see it's very, very aggressive when it moves, okay? Very, very aggressive. And in terms of just a general crypto meme coin chart, if you look at this chart, it's just very, very strong and very, very bullish overall, okay? So that would be the TA over on Toshi. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section and whether you think that we can get to that level that we're all hoping that we can get to, okay? Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Go check out Maxi Doge, links in the description. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.